When the clock winds down and there's no more game, the stars retire to Legends Lane. Maroon moved in with his nervous grin, but he's starting to wonder what world he's in. Wacky neighbors all around, crazy stunts and antics abound. Every day's a win where heroes reign. Welcome to Legends Lane. Legends Lane.
Welcome to the cul-de-sac, kid. Feast your eyes, baby. I got a lot of treasures in here. But this is Gloria.
It's great, Holly.
Made her myself.
Cool.
Just wait till you see what she can do.
Holly, can I ride it?
Nope.
Legends deserve legendary protection.
Woo!
Legends Lane.
Welcome to the watch, newbie. Any new Schenn-angigans to report?
Yeah, this morning I found a bunch of these in my yard.
And yesterday, those punks sent me this.
I'm Jake. And I'm Braden. And you're getting toweled. Dude, just throw it already.
They must be... I'm calling your coach!
Go ahead, old man.
What kind of neighborhood is this?
The neighborhood's wild, but CarShield's got you.
Legends Lane.
We're live where Pat Maroon is tending grill.
Silky smooth hands for the big rig.
They always do this?
Only in the off-season.
Oh, that flip had no lift.
Just like his slap shot.
Pat, get your head in the game.
Give him the backflip, kid.
Oh, and Patty's off the glass and out. There's a reason he's retired, folks.
Dude.
Next, Cornhole with Ric Flair, brought to you by CarShield.
Legends deserve legendary protection.